Free university education. Stay tuned, traders. We're going to talk about that next. G'day traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Beautiful sunny morning in Perth. Dogs have had their little walk for the day, and sun's out and the markets are trading. Being in Perth, we're in the Asian hemisphere, so early morning, 5 o'clock, 5 a.m. is when New York rolls over, and a couple hours later Asia kicks off. Today talking about free university education. I just read a statistic this morning that less than 3% of people use the library, and it's free. If you're watching these videos, chances are you're interested in trading and trading better, learning to trade, trading bigger, whatever it is. You know, it's amazing. You get a free education every single day in the greatest profession in the world that offers you unlimited possibilities on how much you can earn anywhere, work from anywhere on the planet. Your overhead is essentially an internet connection and your trading account losses, if you consider that tuition for higher learning. You know, as I've talked about in other videos, I spent well over 100 grand getting a couple of degrees and other educational pieces of paper, but I was born to be a trader. And you know, I graduated 22 years ago, and I spend more time every single day studying the market purely from the passion of the game itself, of just wanting to master the game and get better at it. And every day, you know, I have 15 pairs that I'll go through and study, you know, different pairs that aren't correlated, you know, oil and gold as well, natural gas, copper, whatever. I'm constantly studying the markets because every market's the same, even having the cryptocurrencies up there to study the charts. You have the opportunity. We talk about this in the 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. One of the components of that daily routine is accelerating your learning. And if I can take 10 or 12 different instruments every day and learn from them, that can speed my learning up. One of my goals is to keep honing in on my best playbook setups, but being able to get bigger and bigger and bigger at those trading setups. And they show up all the time. Almost every single week, there'll be at least 5 or 6 pairs that offer me one of my best playbook trading setups. And so my point today is you have the opportunity to get an education for free in the greatest profession in the world that can offer you scalable income, unlimited, which virtually no other profession can offer you that. The question is are you willing to put the time and the effort to keep getting better at it? And you know, when that opportunity comes, are you going to be ready? So it's not only spending the time studying to master your craft, but then also in live time being able to execute. You know, I talked about using micro lots and just training my nervous system to get into the process of being patient, waiting for the right time, the right price, the right signal to enter the market, and then where to place my stop, and then monitoring my results to see, you know, did I get spiked out? Did I get in too soon? Did I get in too late? Did I adjust my stop accordingly? Did I manage that trade? Did I set my targets well? How did I manage that trade throughout the whole process? You know, all these little things that's the performance side of things. So, you know, I can't even imagine going back and studying all these textbooks and, you know, hours in the classroom, and then you do your exams, and then you graduate, and then you got 100 grand in debt, and there you are, you're not even earning an income yet. Now you have the potential to obviously to earn an income, and I'm not minimizing any of that. I'm grateful to my profession. I'm grateful to the experiences that I had. I'm grateful to the opportunities that I had and all the doors that education's opened for me. But my point is just, what are you willing to do to get better at trading? There's no secrets. You know, the more and more you go down the rabbit hole, you realize there are no secrets. It's sticking to a couple of simple setups, mastering them, making mistakes, learning to get better at them, and going back and doing it again the next day. And the problems for most retail traders revolve around their emotional headspace around trading their own money, taking on too much risk, not really having an edge, not using stops, getting emotional and revenge trading and anger trading, not even having an edge in the market, over trading, you name it, I've done it. So what are you willing to do? You've got the opportunity for a free education every single day to get better. So we talked about, building your playbook, picking 1 or 2 setups, mastering them, really breaking it down into the smallest little details and mastering those little details, and then learning to execute on them, and then learning to execute and trade bigger, and then monitoring your results and figuring out, how can I do this better? How can I do this better? I like what Mike Bellafiore talks about. We say this in a lot of the videos. How good can we get, traders? So hopefully you got some value from today's video, traders. Free university education, unlimited income opportunity, greatest profession in the world, greatest lifestyle in the world. Are you willing to put in the time and the effort to be an elite performer? So stay disciplined, stay focused, keep getting better, and may the markets go with you.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.